Here's the easy way to invite your friends on Revolut. First, open your Revolut app and tap on your profile picture located in the top left corner of the screen. Now select Invite Friends. This option takes you to a screen displaying all the rewards and incentives for inviting friends. Check your reward offer. In my case, the reward is 40 euros per successful referral. Note that your friends need to fulfill certain conditions in order for you to get the referral bonus. Now tap on Invite Friends again to proceed. Here you can choose how you want to invite your friends. Option 1 is to send the invitation directly through your contacts through the app. The second option is to tap Share Link to select how you want to share the invite link. You can copy the link and paste it wherever you prefer, such as social media platforms or direct messaging apps. And that's how to invite your friends onto Revolut. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the Financer YouTube channel and like the video. It really helps us out. And if you want to be friends with us at Financer, you can use our affiliate link for Revolut down below. Have a great day.